Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your heated seats. So, from the driver's seat, first to turn the vehicle on, which it's on, and then from your home screen here, you'll see these two options. These symbols represent your heated seats. So, this now has the max heat for the driver's side, and this would be the passenger side. And if you want to lower it, you just click it again, and it'll go down a notch. And now this would be the lowest heat setting, and then now it's off again. And then same thing for the driver's side. That's kind of a medium, low, and then off. And then the easiest way to see if it's working is to turn it on, and then after a few moments, maybe a few minutes, you should have felt the seat warm up your butt. If you're not feeling anything, even just from that short bit I had it on there, I could feel it just a little bit on mine. But if you're not getting any response at all, first thing I would check is all the connections underneath the seat, in case something's loose, something like that. So make sure they're all attached nice and firm. If that's not working, sometimes, say if something spills on the fabric itself and seeps through, if all the moisture gets into the system, sometimes this can short out sensors like your airbag sensors or potentially some of these heating mechanisms. If that's not working, maybe double check then the fuses. If you got like a burnt fuse, something like that, make sure all your fuses are solid and good. And if that doesn't work, maybe try like a reset for your display here. Maybe you've got some sort of error codes within here that aren't connecting these buttons correctly to the seat. So maybe like a factory reset type thing, or a full reset from the dealership. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.